Alright, let's have a look at what's inside Samsung Galaxy A25. Well, that's pretty much it. They've not given much. There is no charger. And yeah, it's just a cable, or you have to buy your own power charger, either from Samsung or you can use an aftermarket charger, especially nowadays with more powerful aftermarket chargers. You can potentially buy them, and it's probably be a better bet for you. Yes, as you can see, it's very bare bones, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for looking at this very short video.